Good morning, Kinders and Kinder families. I hope you enjoyed your nice long weekend. Now it's time to get back at our new distance learning board for the week. So just a couple friendly reminders. Up at the top here, you'll find all the resources that you need, including the daily calendar for students and the links to the reading apps and the math app and additional resources. And Miss Sarah has a new mindfulness lesson today. And don't forget your handwriting pages are here. This week is going to be hat day for our Google Meet tomorrow morning. So wear your favorite hat, Kinders, to our Google Meet tomorrow morning. And we will use the same URL to join our meeting just like last week. And I will join at 8:50, and the rest of you can join between 8:55 and 9:05. All right, let's check out what's on our new learning board. The kindergarten teachers and I have been working hard on these, so we hope you are enjoying them. Today is letter E for our alphabet countdown, so it's all about exercise. So make sure you check that out. You can do gym or music or both. For math this week, we're going to be finishing up addition today, and so there's a warm-up, a practice page with Boom Learning. It's super fun. Your code to get in is right here. And then I have a Seesaw assessment in the activities that I'd like each student to complete independently to the best of their ability. Over here in reading, we're going to start day 1 for comprehension and phonics. There's your suggestions for reading apps. Friends, if you choose to do this one, Raz Kids, those are books at your level, and you can record yourself reading, and then I can listen to you and write back to you. So a couple friends, Violet and Liam X, have tried it, so I'd love to see some more friends give that a try. Don't forget to practice your ball words and listen to a chapter of Junie B. Jones. In science, we're finishing up the life cycle of a chicken, so there's a video to watch in a Seesaw activity, and then you're going to write about it or illustrate it in your journal as well. And if you want to, there are letters, uppercase and lowercase letters to practice, and easy write numbers. And that's what's on your board for today. So I hope you have fun and enjoy the activities, and I will see you tomorrow morning at our Google Meet. Have a great day.